Hi guys, today we're going to solve some exponential problems. First problem, x to the power 11, excuse me for a minute, and x to the power negative 2 divided by x to the power 7, x to the power negative 10, which we can solve by the rule of exponential power adding up rule, that is x to the power 11 minus 2, because there is a minus here, and divided by x 7 minus 10, because of the minus there. And the next step will be x to the power 9 divided by x to the power negative 3, and that gives the next step. When the negative 3 goes up, when we move this term, the denominator term, it becomes x to the power positive 3. That gives us 9 plus 3, and that will become x to the power 12. So this is the answer. Now consider the next problem. X to the power 16 and x to the power negative 8 divided by x to the power 19, x to the power 11 equals x to the power 8 divided by x to the power 30, because this 16 and negative 8 adds up to 8, and 19 and 11 adds up to 30, and that comes to 1 over x to the power 22, because when the 8 positive 8 in this term comes to the bottom, it becomes negative 8. 30 minus 8, which is 22. This is the answer. The next problem, sorry about my 3, x to the power 6 to the power 6 and x to the power 9 to the power negative 4. Just a minute. Which is equal to, this is my first video, so it's kind of inexperienced way of doing it, so please bear with me. 6 times 6 equals 36. If you look here, if x to the power of something here, x to the power of something else here, we need to add them up. But if you see only one x to the power of 6 and then to the power of 6, then we need to multiply them. Okay, this is a simple rule that we need to remember. And x to the power 9 times 4 is negative 36 because of the negative in front of the 4. Now x to the power 36, x to the power negative 36 will come down to 1 because 36 minus 36 equals 0. X to the power 0 equals 1 because anything to the power of 0 is 1. Now another question, x to the power 12 to the power 1 over 3 and x to the power 18 to the power negative 1 over 2. Let me make sure. Yes, negative 1 over 2. Now this one, next step is, if you see here, 12 divided by 3 will come to 4. So x to the power 4 times x to the power negative 9, which is, let me write it down step by step, that will equal to x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 9, because if the term comes to denominator, the negative becomes positive. Now the solution is x to the power 5, but 1 over x to the power 5, not just, because the higher number is on the denominator. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So this is the answer. Just a minute.